Mark Zuckerberg shows us MMA and Metaverse with top UFC champion. Mark Zuckerberg recently introduced Quest Sim, a revolutionary motion tracking technology that promises to change how we interact with virtual reality. Quest Sim is equipped with an advanced tracking system that accurately captures every movement, from the smallest gestures to intense actions. Imagine the thrill of playing a game where you can physically dodge bullets or swing a sword with precision. The excitement of interacting with virtual objects and characters in a seamless, natural way is truly fascinating. But how will this tech change the future of gaming? And when will it be available for users? Get ready to experience the future of virtual reality with this new tech. Without further ado, let's get started. Overview. In a video released on YouTube, where Mark Zuckerberg fights with UFC #1 pound-for-pound fighter Alexander the Great Volkanovski at Meta headquarters, Mark Zuckerberg showcases a new motion tracking technology that is nothing short of fascinating. The video showcases how this technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with digital content and immersive experiences. The video demonstrates how the technology tracks the movement of a user's hands and feet, allowing for seamless and natural interaction with virtual objects in a virtual environment. This new motion tracking technology fits perfectly into the larger goal of the Metaverse, which is to create a fully immersive, shared virtual space that seamlessly integrates with the real world. With this technology, users will be able to interact with virtual objects in a natural and intuitive way, breaking down the barriers between the virtual and physical worlds. That's not all. The video also highlights the potential applications of this technology in gaming, where players can use their hands to control their avatars and interact with the virtual world in real time. It showcases how the technology could be used in virtual reality and augmented reality experiences, making them more immersive and interactive. Another interesting aspect of this new motion tracking technology is how it has the potential to change the way we work, which we will discuss later in the video. The new motion tracking technology presented in the video is highly versatile and could be used in various industries and applications. It has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries, from entertainment and gaming to education and healthcare. But how does the Quest Sim motion tracking technology work? How it works. The technology uses a combination of sensors, cameras, and computer algorithms to track the movements of a user's body in real time. The sensors and cameras are integrated into a headset, which the user wears. The headset tracks the user's movements and sends this information to the computer algorithms, which then translate the movements into a 3D virtual environment. This allows for a level of immersion and interactivity that was previously impossible, allowing users to experience virtual environments in a much more natural and intuitive way. One of the key advantages of the Quest Sim motion tracking technology is its accuracy. The technology can track a user's movements with incredible precision, which means that the virtual environment will respond to the user's movements in a much more realistic way. The one developing it, Reality Labs, is a leading artificial intelligence research company at the forefront of developing the technology. The company is dedicated to advancing the field of artificial intelligence and creating cutting-edge technologies that have the potential to transform a wide range of industries. Reality Labs has a team of experts who deeply understand computer vision, machine learning, and robotics. They are using this expertise to develop the Quest Sim motion tracking technology. So, when can we expect the Quest Sim motion tracking technology in the market? Currently, the technology is in the early stages of development, and there is no official release date at this time. However, the technology is expected to be available to the public in the next few years. Reality Labs is working closely with industry partners and other stakeholders to ensure that the technology is available to the widest possible audience and accessible and affordable for everyone. Now, you might be wondering, how will it affect the game industry? The game changer. Whether you're a player or a developer, the Quest Sim body tracking technology is sure to significantly impact how we play and create games in the future. With its ability to track a player's movements in real time, support multiplayer gaming, and allow developers to create more responsive and dynamic games, the Quest Sim body tracking technology is poised to change how we play and experience games for many years to come. One of the key features of the Quest Sim body tracking technology is its ability to accurately track a player's movements in real time. This means that the movements of a player's body will be reflected in the game world, allowing for a much more immersive experience. This is particularly relevant for games that involve physical activity, such as sports or fitness games. For example, imagine playing a virtual reality basketball game where your movements are accurately reflected in the game world. allowing you to feel like you are playing the sport. This level of immersion will give players a much more realistic and enjoyable experience. It will also make the games more challenging, as players will need to use their bodies to control their in-game characters. Something else is its ability to support multiplayer gaming. With this technology, multiple players can participate in the same virtual reality game, with each player's movements being tracked and reflected in the game world. This will allow players to interact with one another in a much more natural and intuitive way, and it will also make it possible for players to play cooperative games together, working together to achieve a common goal. This level of social interaction is a key part of the gaming experience, and it's something that has been missing from virtual reality games until now. The Quest Sim body tracking technology will also significantly impact how games are developed and designed. With the ability to track a player's movements, developers will have the opportunity to create games that are more responsive and dynamic. For instance, they could create games where players need to move their bodies to solve puzzles, or where the environment changes based on a player's movements. This will give developers a lot of creative freedom to create new and innovative game experiences that have never been possible before. For example, in a first-person shooter game, players will be able to physically duck and dodge behind the cover. Or in a sports game, players will be able to swing a virtual tennis racket or soccer ball physically. The Quest Sim motion tracking technology can also create larger and more complex virtual environments. For instance, players can explore vast open-world environments or navigate complex dungeons and caves in a way that feels much more real and intuitive than ever before. One of the most popular types of games expected to take advantage of Quest Sim motion tracking technology is action games. Popular games like Call of Duty, FIFA, World of Warcraft, NBA 2K, and Battlefield are expected to take advantage of Quest Sim's technology to create even more immersive and realistic gaming experiences. In addition to these upgrades, Quest Sim motion tracking technology is also expected to create entirely new types of games. Developers may create games that are specifically designed to be played in a virtual reality environment, allowing players to experience new and exciting gaming experiences that are not possible with traditional gaming technology. So, how will this affect other industries? The effect to other industries. In addition to its potential applications in education and healthcare, the Quest Sim motion tracking technology could also greatly impact other industries, such as entertainment, fitness, and tourism. For example, the technology could be used to create virtual tours of famous landmarks or museums, allowing users to experience these locations in a much more immersive and interactive way than traditional 2D tours. The technology could also create virtual fitness classes, allowing users to experience a workout in a virtual environment without needing any equipment. It can also be used in the field of rehabilitation. The technology could be used to create virtual rehabilitation exercises, allowing patients to recover from injuries in a fun and engaging way. This would be particularly beneficial for patients unable to leave their homes, as they could access the rehabilitation exercises from the comfort of their own homes. It's also worth mentioning that the Quest Sim motion tracking technology has the potential to create new job opportunities in a wide range of fields. For example, there may be a need for developers and designers who specialize in creating virtual environments and experiences, and engineers and technicians skilled in installing and maintaining the technology. This could result in the creation of new jobs and industries, and provide a boost to local economies. In terms of the user experience, the Quest Sim motion tracking technology promises to be much more intuitive and user-friendly than previous VR and AR technologies. The technology is designed to be as accessible as possible, with a simple and user-friendly interface that allows users to get started quickly and easily. This will be particularly important for people who may be intimidated by technology, as it will make it much easier for them to experience the benefits of virtual and augmented reality. Without a doubt, it's an exciting development that has the potential to transform a wide range of industries and create new job opportunities. With its ability to track a user's movements with incredible accuracy and its user-friendly interface, it promises to be much more accessible and intuitive than previous VR and AR technologies. Whether you're an educator, healthcare professional, or simply someone interested in the latest technology advancements, the Quest Sim motion tracking technology is definitely worth keeping an eye on. Anyway, what do you think of the new motion tracking technology? Can it revolutionize our industries? Comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell.